What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. Found this little creek on Google Maps and we're gonna see how good it is. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks awesome. Look how deep it is over here. That is crazy. I'm gonna go up to this corner, fish this corner, and then we're gonna come back down. I feel like bass would be loaded in here. It is a little late. It's around 4 o'clock. I might have to switch to something else. Oh, got one. There we go. There's a bass. I thought it felt weird. Oh, he ran straight at me. I thought I was feeling something. Here we go. It's not bad. He's got a tooth patch, so I'm guessing a little spotted bass. Nice. Not bad for our first fish. Man, I was really about to switch up too. Might be a monster in there. Man, I can go get that. I know I can go get it. Oh, I got one. There we go. Woo! There we go. There's a bass. There's a bass. I went to go pick up my hat and glasses. But that is our second bass of the day. Second fish of the day. Not too bad. There he goes. Whoa. Bunch of ducks. There we go. Look at that. Oh, is that a smallie? Am I wrong? No, largemouth. Oh. Look at that. Another nice bass. Oh. You gonna make it? Yeah. So I'm on the 90F wopper plopper. Back through. Oh. Oh, it got slammed. I was making sure he had it. Look at this. Man, that current is really not helping me. Oh, tighten my drag a little bit. That current is not helping. Woo! Look at that. Whoa. Oh, it came out. Good. Look at this guy. Look at this spot. Really nice. He hammered it. Woo. Let him go back. I'm glad he unhooked himself because he was very sporadic. Oh, man. All right. The green sunfish. I don't know how this little guy got all 3 trebles in his mouth. He hit it perfect. Bow. There we go. There we go. That's a bass? Question mark? Yeah. What is wrong with this bass? What? Whoa, whoa, wait a minute, wait a minute. What is wrong with this bass? Oh wait, y'all can't see. What is wrong with this bass? Why he look like that? He got a tumor or something?
Hey guys, you wanna go fishing? We'll go fishing, okay?
So from what I've just researched, He has had, or it does have right now, a broke back. That sucks. I've never seen this before. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Whoa, I mean, he jetted off good. I don't know. I guess he's fine, but that really does suck. I hate that for him. He just jetted off. I wonder how they get a broke back like that. Is that from somebody catching them? Or does that happen naturally? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you know what the cause of that is. Can't believe I just caught a broke back bass. You know, I've had a broke back before. Completely broken. But I will save that story for another time. Oh, there we go. There we go. No, he threw it. Oh, there we go. I got him this time. Same bass, I think. I got him this time though. Yeah. Yeah. Pull him over here. Yeah. Come here, Mr. Bass. Well, he's not a bad one. Oh, no, this is not a smallie, it's a spot. Huh. There was a pattern on top that made him look like he was a smallie. That's really bright white under there. And then real dark green on top. That's a really cool spot. All right, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. That was cool. Oh, he was right there too. Oh, maybe I should do it faster. Go ahead, hit it. Yeah! Oh, did you see that? Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? That was cool. That was so cool. That was insane. He followed it all the way up to the bank right here, started swimming over here. I took another cast, I think, and then I came back. He was still here. I threw it in, went really fast, and he just crunched it. I had a feeling he'd come back too. That's a largemouth. That's a wide mouth on him too. Man. All right, let's put him back. See you later, bud. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'm heading back. I don't think I'm gonna take many casts on my way back because it is getting dark and I need to get out of here because I have an 1.5-hour drive home. Can't believe I caught that bass with broke back though. That's crazy. But I will be coming back to this spot. I know it was a short video, but this was a last-minute stop just to check it out. I really just come out here to scope it out, really. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all in the next one.